Hello, I'm Darius with Wide World Exotics, and this is my video on the Lamborghini Sian. Some may consider this to be the pinnacle of Lamborghini road cars. The Sian is powered by a Lamborghini's ultimate power plant, a 785 horsepower hybrid V12 engine. Offering stunning and unique looks unlike any other Lamborghini on the market, all 63 examples will likely be flying out of the factory, despite the $2.7 million price tag. This specific example is one of the first to enter the United States and a one-of-a-kind model made exclusively for the owner. But that's enough of me talking about the car. Here's the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you did. And remember, enjoy the ride.